Welcome to JH. Today, we will demonstrate how to indent the second line within Adobe InDesign. Start by launching the software, creating a text box, and adding your desired text. Use the selection tool to resize and format the frame as needed. Ensure there are no hyphens in your text for a cleaner look. If your paragraph panel is hidden, go to the Window menu, choose Type and Tables, and select Paragraph to reveal it. With the selection tool active, highlight your text. In the Paragraph panel, locate the first line indent field and input a negative value to shift the start of the paragraph. Initially, keep both the left and right indents at 0. Next, set the left indent to your chosen value for the second line. This process applies an indent to every line except the first one. Continue adjusting these specific values until you reach your desired layout. That covers everything for this tutorial. If you found these steps useful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel.